What's up, y'all? J Raw back right here on my MPC2000 XL. And this video just really quick and simple. I'm going to show y'all how to check what version your MPC is. I was going to do a video on upgrading my MPC to the 1.2 version, but there's nothing on this floppy. I don't think it was formatted correctly for MPC, so I'm waiting for another one to come in, I don't know, a couple days or something like that. We'll see. But so yeah, for now, I'm just gonna show y'all, if you're wondering how to check what version your MPC's in, uh, because for the sole fact that in order to upgrade this MPC's drive from a zip drive to change it to a compact flash card reader drive, or however you say that correctly, it has to be in the 1.2 version. So what you do is you click Shift and Other. Boom. This is as simple as that. So here, I'll go back on the home screen. You click Shift and then Other. It'll take you to right here. Boom. And then you can see version. Just click F3 right here. Boom. And so my version is an operating system of 1.14. Meaning, if I were to go ahead and undo this, take this apart, turn it around, take off, whatever I need to do, and I take this zip drive out and I put a compact flash drive in here, the compact flash drive won't read with this older system. So that's why I need to upgrade it to the 1.2 in order for me to change this into a flash drive instead of the floppy zip, or whatever you call it, the zip drive I have. So yeah, that's that. Shift F8, F3, or not F8, but Shift 8, F3, boom. You'll see what version your MPC's in. I have the 2001 May 15th version. All right, y'all. Yeah, whenever I get that new card for the upgrade, I'll do a video on how to upgrade it. Just once again, that's going to be another very quick, simple video. But until then, peace.